Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to select annual purchase volume on Made in China B2B. So first we're going to go to our browser, then search for Made in China. Then click on the first link that pops up. So here you're going to click on the account section on the top right corner, but you guys have to sign up. Then again we're going to click on my account. Then here you're going to click on sourcing info. So we're going to click on edit next. Then go to the section where it says annual purchase volume and select one that you want. So it's the amount of money you guys have to purchase annually. So once you select, you're going to click on save. So it's easy as that. And also make sure to check our other playlists and how-to tutorials. We have different of them in our YouTube playlists. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.